Hi all, welcome back to my channel Techie Minds. I'm here today with series of videos on life skills. You all would agree with me that the way schooling or academics is crucial, it is equally important to develop few basic skills. These skills are nothing but life skills. Life skills are going to enable us effectively handle issues or problems that we encounter in our day-to-day life. So through this video, let's try and understand what are life skills, significance of life skills, and what do researchers have to say about the outcome of learning life skills. What are life skills? Any skill that is useful for you in your life can be considered as a life skill. It would be different for different age group people. For toddlers, it might be simply tying a shoelace or eating properly without creating a mess. For school children, it might be to understand the concepts thoroughly. For job seekers, it might be to present themselves well. For employed, it might be to manage time, take proper decision, or keep oneself organized. For people starting a family, it might be parenting. Everyone will potentially have a different list of skills which they consider most essential in life. This might be true for them but not necessary for someone else. These skills can be acquired through learning or through direct life experience. Life skills would be relevant to you depending on your culture, beliefs, circumstances under which you live, age group, geographical area, lifestyle that you follow, and many more factors. So, is there any list of life skills which could be considered as essential life skills? UNICEF, UNESCO, and World Health Organization have enlisted 10 core life skills strategies. Some of them are problem solving, critical thinking, effective communication skills, decision-making skills. As per WHO, life skills are the abilities that enable individuals to deal effectively with the challenges of everyday life. Whereas UNICEF defines life skills as a behavioral change designed to address a balance of three aspects: knowledge, attitude, and skills. Now, when should we learn life skills? As per John Dewey, a philosopher, social reformer, and an educator, school is a place where we could learn the life skills necessary to develop us as individuals and citizens. But let us not forget that we are learners and can adapt or learn in every phase of our life. Skills are broadly categorized as intra and interpersonal skills. As the name suggests, skills which are useful for personal growth are intrapersonal skills or personal skills. Personal skills are the essential life skills that we need to help maintain a healthy body and mind. These might include understanding your personality type, improving confidence, self-image or self-esteem, managing stress and anger. Interpersonal skills are the ones required to establish connections with other people and hence are very vital. These could include communication skills, literacy skills, leadership skills, parenting skills, and many more. In my upcoming videos, I'll be covering most of them. Coming down to understanding the significance of life skills and the outcome of developing life skills. A primary objective of developing life skill is to promote confidence and well-being. It helps us to become more assertive, communicate effectively with others, learn to effectively handle stress and deal with disappointments or setbacks. It helps us to explore our beliefs and attitudes through group discussions and confidence building techniques. The outcome of life skill development is increased pro-social behavior, decrease in negativity and self-destructive behavior, It lessens violent behavior, helps us increase our ability to plan ahead and choose effectively. It helps us improve self image and self esteem, also helps us develop good self control, handle interpersonal problems, and cope with anxiety. Developing life skills is of utmost importance as it encourages us to use strengths by engaging in creative activities and follow a healthy lifestyle. So let's get into details of each of these categories in our upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you all for watching the video. Keep watching to know more about what are the personal skills, how to develop personal skills. So I'll be coming up with the next video on developing personal skills. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share it with your friends and press the bell icon so that you get to know whenever my new video is out. Thank you.